Hi everyone, this is Anil Patak and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn the concept of drill down using the parameter actions. So let's move to Tableau. Now to make the drill down work using the parameter actions, we need two steps. First, create a parameter which will be vacant parameter. So just go here, create parameter and call it as a vacant parameter. Okay, and this will be set to string and the value will be blank. Okay, or maybe you can call it as a blank parameter. Okay, so blank parameter, the string, and the current value. We'll be updating this parameter using parameter action. So that is the whole thing which we have to do in this video. So create a blank parameter, okay, with value blank. Create. Okay, we have created a blank parameter over here, and now build a view. So we have department over here. I'll pull it to rows and then pull the sales here. So we have the bar chart over here. Okay, and now we want that this furniture should drill down to further categories within this department. Same for office supplies and same for technology. So that part we have to do it with parameter actions. Now first we'll create a calculated field, and this will be called as, let's say, department or category. Okay, and this will be like if blank parameter. So we have set it as blank, right? If it is equal to department, so meaning if we have clicked on any department, then give me the categories within that department. Okay, else just keep showing the department. And so this calculation basically is for this chart. So whenever if my blank parameter is equal to department, means if I click on any department, then it will show the categories within that department. Otherwise, just keep the department names as it is. And okay, now I have the calculated field over here. I'll pull that over here, right? But right now if you click here, nothing will happen, right? Because I have not used the parameter action. So go to worksheet, click on actions, and then add action. You go to here, change parameter. Now remember, we have built one blank parameter, so we have to change its value using this action, change parameter. And we'll call this as, let's say, update blank parameter, and on select it will be updated, and the parameter which has to be updated is called as blank parameter, which we have made. So we have to update this. Okay, source sheet is this sheet 1. In sheet 1, whenever I select this target parameter, blank parameter, it should change, and it should basically the field which we have made. So what will happen is this parameter will be updated using this field. So this is a calculation which we have just built. So what is the calculation? If we select department or category, so if its blank parameter is department, then it will show me category, and if it's not selected, then it will show me the department name. Okay, so just click OK here, and then OK. Now just click on this and you will see that it has been drilling down to category level. So furnitures, then same for office supplies, and then same for technology, right? And then you can make this chart a bit neat. So let's say first you have to sort it also. So let me sort this. We have to sort it using nested sorting because we have two fields over here. So let's say descending, and then same way go here and then sort this also using this nested descending. Okay, and then hide this first one. So just go here and uncheck the show header and hide this label, we don't need this one. And once you click this, okay, this collapses. Then let us increase this a bit. We can bring in the labels over here. Okay, adjust the font. So I want semi bold and match color, and color also I can change. Okay, so go here in color, change the color of the bar. I don't need this because I have labels now. So again uncheck this, and then let me change the labels format. Okay, so go here and change this also to semi bold and color same as bar, and then get rid of grid lines. I don't want any grid line, don't want any zero line. And let me increase the row divider. Okay, so this row divider, you can increase the lines and the color. Okay, so you can clearly see now. If I, let's say, click on furniture, so I can see these are the furniture categories, department furniture categories, and this is technology and office supplies department. Again, if you click on any one of these, this collapses. So basically what we have done is we have created a blank parameter. We have used blank parameter and created one calculated field. Calculated field is nothing much. If your that blank parameter is department, so department, then show its categories, and if it's not, then show the department name. And then when we included the actions, we have just used the change parameter over here. And using that change parameter, now if you click on any department, it drills down. So here it's drilled down to category, right? Office supplies drill down to its categories. Same way technology drill down to its categories. So this is a good usage of parameter actions to drill down to the lower level from the higher level. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel to remain updated with my new videos. Thank you.